What's up guys, Travis here. Today, I'm out by the pool testing something that every pool owner knows to struggle with. Constant cleaning. Leaves, dirt, bugs, debris, it feels like the pool never stays clean for long, especially during summer. So in this video, I'm testing out the iGarden K-Series robotic pool vacuum, specifically the K36, to see how it performs in real backyard pool with real debris and real everyday use. I'm going to show you everything: setup, cleaning power, wall climbing, app control, and most importantly, whether this actually saves you time compared to doing it yourself or hiring a pool service. Now, right out of the box, the K36 feels modern and simple. It's a cordless robotic pool cleaner, so there's no hoses, no external pumps, nothing dragging around your yard. Setup is really straightforward. First, you charge it up. Turn it on, and drop it straight into the pool. And once it hits the water, it automatically wakes up and starts its cleaning cycle. No complicated setup, no guesswork, just drop and go. So for this test, I left some real dirt and debris in the pool to see how well it handles real conditions. And right away, you can see it moving in a very structured cleaning pattern instead of just randomly bouncing around. That's one thing I definitely noticed. It feels a lot more organized and efficient than a lot of older or cheaper pool robots. As it moves, you can actually see it picking up leaves, dirt, and smaller particles from the bottom. And that's really the main question with any product like this. Does it actually clean well? And in this case, it does a solid job covering the pool floor and working its way through all the debris. The suction performance is strong for a cordless unit. It's designed to handle everything from fine dirt to larger leaves and debris. And it also has a turbo mode you can activate when the pool is extra dirty. So depending on your situation, you can run a normal cycle for maintenance cleaning or boost it when things get really messy. It's flexible like that. Now I wanted to test how it handles walls and slopes, because this is where a lot of pool robots really struggle. But the K36 actually does better than expected here. It climbs walls, transitions between surfaces, and keeps cleaning without getting stuck or losing track. You can also switch between cleaning modes depending on what you want: floor only, wall and waterline, or full coverage mode for the entire pool. Full coverage is what I've been running for this test because it gives the most complete clean. Now, one of the standout features is how simple the controls are. On the top panel, you can adjust the cleaning modes, runtime, turbo mode, and the scheduling. It's all very easy to understand. But you also get full app control through the iGarden app using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So from your phone, you can start or stop cleaning, change modes, and set up automatic schedules. So you can literally set this to clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours without thinking about it. And that's the big idea here, is making the pool maintenance something you don't have to actively manage anymore. Now, the K36 gets up to around 220 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for most residential pools. And since it's fully cordless, there are no cables to manage or untangle. You just drop it in, let it run, and walk away. Another nice feature is the auto parking function. When the battery gets low, it automatically moves into an area retrieval position, so you can pull it out without fishing it around the pool. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in real-time use. Now, one of the most satisfying parts is checking out what the filter actually caught. After the cleaning cycle is finished, I pull out the basket to take a look inside. And honestly, I was surprised by how much debris it picked up. You can clearly see leaves, dirt, bugs, and all kinds of particles trapped inside the filter. Now there's also an extra filter for extra fine particles, like sand and dirt. Look at that. Now, this is where you really notice how effective it is. Instead of all that debris settling across the bottom of your pool, everything gets collected neatly inside the cleaner. And the best part is, cleanup takes almost no effort. Just rinse the filter out, slide it back in, and it's ready for the next run. And this is the part that really sells it. The difference between a dirty pool and a freshly cleaned one is pretty clear. Instead of spending your time brushing and vacuuming everything manually, this just handles it automatically in the background. That's really the biggest benefit here. It's time saving and convenience. So who is this actually for? Well, if you own a pool and you're tired of constant cleaning, or you don't want to deal with the pool service costs, or you just want something that makes maintenance way easier, the K36 fits right into that set it and forget it category. It's simple, it's effective, and designed for everyday pool owners. If you want to check out the full iGarden K-Series lineup, just search iGarden Pool Vacuum on Amazon. I'll also leave the direct link in the description and the pinned comment. Overall, the iGarden K36 does exactly what most people want from a robotic pool cleaner. It saves time, it cleans well, it climbs walls, and it's easy to use. And with the app control, you can even automate the whole process so it runs in the background. So instead of pool maintenance being a chore, it just becomes something that happens automatically. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.